Hi class, it's the end of week 2, beginning of week 3. This weekend you should be finishing up your compare and contrast draft in your week 2 journal. This draft is the only one I won't be looking at during this class. Instead, I want to give you practice using the online tutors SNU has available for you. To access them, go up here to the top of our Moodle page. You'll find instructions for them here, and click here to access. Remember, you'll receive the best help from the online tutors if you bring a strong draft along with your essay instructions, rubric, and specific questions. If you're on campus, you may also use the writing tutors there to help you, but for this assignment specifically, I want you to use the online tutor. Let's move on to week 3. Here I have a reminder for you to work on your Easy Writer improvement plan. Please do not leave these until week 5. Go ahead and work on a few topics each week so you can learn the materials like you need to. If you have any problems locating tutorials or the right quizzes to take, return to the assignment here, and then you'll see a video here at the bottom explaining how to locate topics for the improvement plan. If after you watch the video, if you still have questions or if you can't find the correct quizzes you need, please email me. I'm more than happy to help. Then we have your readings for week 3 over summaries. If you're not sure how to do a summary correctly or haven't done one in a while, these readings will help you a lot. Even if you think you know what you're doing, please go ahead and read through them. There are a lot of details many students miss when doing a summary correctly, and these readings go over those details well. For example, in the CSU reading, they talk in detail about how to write a summary correctly. I especially want you to note the instructions about citing the author and title in the first sentence, using details and quotations, and using author tags. Be sure to read carefully and include all those details and the others discussed here in your summary. After completing those readings, you have a summary quiz to take and then a practice forum. On this forum, you'll summarize this article and then return here by Thursday to critique your classmates' summaries. Remember, this is constructive criticism. Just saying, "That looks great," is not helpful. Let them know what they did great on and how they can work to improve it. If they left out important details that you read about, like author tags or the title and author, let them know those things as well. You're here to help each other succeed in this class, and good, detailed comments on the forums are one way to do that. Then on Thursday, you'll have your final draft of your compare and contrast paper. You'll actually turn it in back on 2.5. Make sure you choose the final option instead of draft when uploading your paper. You can expect your grades back on Friday, no later than Saturday. Please be sure to return your papers and read my comments. I comment not only on how you can have improved this type of paper, but how you can improve future papers for this class. Reading through those comments will help you do better on the remaining papers for this class. Then you have the outline for your article summary due Friday. Note the Friday due date here, since this is one of the few you'll have in this class. This is to be a sentence outline of this article to help prepare you for the final summary due on Sunday. I will grade these on Saturday, so you have them as you work on your final summary due Sunday. Don't get too worried about your summary due Sunday night. Though it is the only draft for this assignment, it is shorter than your other essays for this class. Remember though, this is 2 to 3 full pages, not 1.5 pages. Pay careful attention to the rubric for this assignment before you turn it in. Using it as a final checklist would be a great idea. You can expect to see my comments and your grade for your summary on Monday or Tuesday of week 4. Finally, you have your journal due. You all did a great job on your journals for week 1, and I expect the same degree of detail in the following weeks. To sum up, continue working on your Easy Writer improvement plan. Then you have the quiz and forum due Tuesday, your forum responses and final draft of your compare and contrast essay due Thursday that you need to take to the online tutor before your final revision. On Friday, you have your outline of your article summary due. Then on Sunday, you have your final summary and journal due. I know it seems like a lot, but I know if you spend a little time each day on the assignments, you'll be able to keep up just fine. Please let me know if you have any questions as you work this week. I'm here to help.